The next presenter is Mr. Aditya Narayan from RML Lucknow. He's going to present contrast media used in radiology. And please note anyone still pending submission of PPT. If it is pending, you can submit it at the counter on the left side.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the expo and National Conference of Indian Society of Radiographers and Technologists. Today I will discuss about the contrast media used in radiology. First of all, you know what is contrast media. The contrast means destination, dissimilarity and variance. Okay, it means difference in optical density between different parts. It is a chemical substance based on monomers or osmolarity. Why do you use contrast media? To increase the contrast between the organ of interest and its surroundings. As you can see the pictures, NCCT and CECT use contrast and non-contrast. The use of contrast media, radiologist can more accurately report on how your body is working and whether there is no disease or abnormalities present. Okay. Contrast media, also known as contrast agent or contrast media, are used to improve the diagnostic value of those imaging exams. Contrast materials are not dyes that permanently discolor internal organ. They are substances that temporarily change the way of X-ray or other imaging tools interacts radio optics with the body. Contrast media highlights their specific area in the body and help them to be seen in greater details of the X-ray. What difference between iodine containing contrast media and gadolinium containing contrast media? Iodine containing contrast media, it is a iodine atomic numbers element based on chemical substance. Iodine containing contrast media saw what happening inside the hollow parts like blood vessels, the stomachs, bowel, spinal cord, artery and veins. It gives information that how to work of kidney, brain and lungs etc. It is harmlessly interact with the X-ray. Iodine is non-metallic chemical element. The administered substance that has a different opacity from soft tissue or radiography or computer tomography. Isocium is water soluble used to opacity blood vessels or the genitourinary tract is called radio contrast agent. Why only iodine? High atomic number, very tight bonding of benzene rings, a special property of annotations of rotably used X-ray beams. Basic chemistry is iodine. Tried iodinated benzene rings is the basic constituent of all contrast media. Gadolinium containing contrast media, sometimes called also MRI contrast media. Gadolinium elements is rare earth metals, so it is interact with the magnetic resonance. Improve the quality of MRI picture injected with the intravenously and emulated from the body through the kidney. Why use the gadolinium based contrast media? Then you answer that improve the visibility of inflammation, tumors, blood vessels, and for some organs of blood supply. Gadolinium is used in MRI or MRI contrast media. In the 3 plus oxidation state, the metal has 7 ampere electrons. This causes water around the contrast agent to relax quickly, enhancing the quality of MRI scan. Basic property. Osmolarity depend on number of particles, so always higher for ionic media and monomers. There are two types: high osmolarity contrast media and low osmolarity contrast media. Solubility and viscosity. Radiography, pregnancy and use of contrast media. However, confusion about the safety of these modality for pregnant and lactant women and their infants. Ultrasonography and magnetic resonance imaging are not associated with the risks and are the choice of pregnant patients. Discuss with referring physicians and radiologists and take benefits of patient and done the radiography procedure. As you can see the pictures, responsibility and risk factor of contrast media. Identification of patient and high risk factor, contrast including nephropathology is important. Previous allergy to reaction to contrast materials increase the risk of developing adverse reaction to contrast agent. Contrast media are safe drugs, adverse reaction ranging from the mild to severe do occur, but severe reactions are very uncommon. Will serious allergy or other reaction to contrast media are rare. In responsibility, you should tell your doctors if any about of these symptoms. If any about of these symptoms, hips, itching, red skin, swelling in thorax, difficulty breathing or swelling, hoarseness, fast heartbeat, immediately inform the emergency treatment to be patient if you see any mild or moderate reaction. What is ideal contrast media? Low osmolarity, low viscosity, high water solubility, biological interaction, safety, heat and chemical stability, cost effective. How to storage and how to use. Room temperatures, dark palace, don't freeze. One open within 4 hours. Don't mix with other drugs. Don't prick rubber lid at the same place. Rapidly dose. Maximum ionic contrast media dose limits 1 or 2 ml per kg. Non-ionic contrast media 3 or 4, 5 ml per kg. Don't leave the patient unattended for the at least half and 1 hour. Medical Imaging India. India is a popular country with over a billion people. On there, approximately one radiologist for 1 lakh population. Advanced diagnosis at affordable price. Radiology industry in witnessing overhauls with respect to launching cost-effective imaging equipments in the secondary and tertiary healthcare segments. India radiologist market is multi-segments from the gathering the demands of private imaging centers, large hospital and academic center to a small diagnostic clinic and government healthcare center. The Indian radiologist segments does not have a clear divide between the high and low end markets, as like X-ray, ultrasound, SCT, MRI. To encourage me, please take a second and visit my YouTube channel PK Study House. Subscribe my channel, watch video and like share. Thank you.
Don't worry. You are a student. Faculty and your colleagues are giving you insight that you should improve in following point. That is a very precious thing.
Yeah, you should know.
So you should know. We are here to
One more
encourage
question.
you.
One more question. If anybody dies of poison या कोई patient poison ले लेता है, तो उस केस में अगर उसका GI ट्रैक अगर आपको फॉलो करना है या GI ट्रैक आपको देखना है, तो कौन सा कॉन्ट्रास्ट?
So read the question in English only.
Okay. If anybody
Barium
consumes the
based contrast
poison,
media, barium based contrast media also use the GIT.
we are using the barium, but if anybody injects the poison, then in that condition, which contrast we use? The barium or the iodinated contrast?
Water soluble contrast media.
Water soluble.
Okay, thank you.
Good. Very good.
Very good.